I told you that I've discovered and harnessed an amazing source of superpowers inside myself, and that these superpowers are available to you too? All of us have caches of dormant powers just waiting for the right mixture of activating practices, strategies, and ingredients, all tailored to us. Hi, I'm Dr. Taz, an integrative health and wellness expert, and over the last decade, I've seen thousands of patients that led me to a major conclusion. Women, specifically, are missing their superpowers. But wait a second, why haven't you heard of these real-life superpowers? Well, modern society demands that we, as women, be superwomen, but doesn't bother to show us how to tap the necessary superhuman powers we all need to meet life's obligations and responsibilities. We're expected to juggle careers, children, family, to have a social life and maintain our households, our budgets, and our cars, to handle schoolwork, arrange for after-school activities, cook healthy meals, pack nutritious lunches, to find time to exercise, to be slim, beautiful, stress-free, and smiling all the time. It's just not possible. And yet, we're surprised when we break down, blow up, freak out, fall into a fog or a funk, suffer from back and neck pain, gain weight, we can't get pregnant, or we're diagnosed with a condition like diabetes, heart disease, or cancer. And get this, compared to men, women are twice as likely to suffer from anxiety and 3 times as likely to be diagnosed with depression. The reason that the majority of health solutions fail us is that they're given as a blanket prescription, as a one-size-fits-all. Plus, these methods just aim to manage your symptoms or band-aid your disease without getting to the root of what is causing the high blood pressure or the weight gain or the failure to get pregnant or the entire list. It doesn't take into account your individual traits, your genetics, your quirks, and your strengths. These solutions assume we're all alike and we just need to manage our symptoms or our conditions. Most diets, health plans, fitness programs, beauty regimens, and mood makeovers offer one answer, one plan, one diet, and one workout. I learned the hard way that following a standard plan designed for the average woman just won't cut it. I know from many years of experience with countless women that each and every one of you is as unique as your fingerprint, as distinct as your DNA, and as complex as Egyptian hieroglyphics. For you, for me, and for all women looking for a better way, the status quo just won't cut it. So, enter the Superwoman RX, my definitive guide to health and the well-being for women, specifically because it's a design for living anything but a one-size-fits-all. It's personalized, it's tailored, and it's created for you. It's the ultimate biohack of your health. Are you ready to put the pieces of your health together and to find your missing superpowers? Visit the link below to find your power type and unlock the secret to your powers.